Hello friends and potential friends. Well, as you can see, I got the beds topped off with grass mulch. So Bully didn't eat all of it. Still got plenty of wood chips and a good sized pile of soil. But I'm not going to be doing any more expanding in here this year. This is the final product for this summer. And it'll be ready for my mom to plant in the winter. Well, after the winter gets over with. I think they actually have a winter here. I'm not used to that. But anyway, I've been thinking, how can I be Geeky Gardens when I haven't shown you much of anything growing lately? I mean, sure, I've been spending a lot of time building this raised bed garden, but there's nothing planted in it. So let's see if I can remedy that just a little bit anyway. Now, to be fair, we don't have a whole lot growing right now. Most of these containers are various succulents and ornamentals and flower plants that my mom and my sister have got going. I did do some more mulberry cuttings and some cuttings off of those plum trees this morning. I went into town and got some root hormone, and we'll give it another try, see if I can get these ones to root. And down there in the corner, we got the comfrey that I brought with me. Probably need to put that in one of the beds just to get it established a little bit before it freezes in the winter. And I'm sure it'll come back in the following spring. And my mom, I guess it follows in the family tradition, she's got a pineapple top growing there that's got at least 2 pups on it. And that one, we're going to have to keep that in the pot because it will not survive the winter up here. She also has an elephant garlic she's been babying. And as soon as I got here this, well, early spring, summer, I set up a green stalk and planted a little bit of lettuce.
Oh, I ate some of that lettuce this morning.
Oh yeah? Yeah, we've been eating some of it from time to time. What surprises me the most is that it hasn't gotten bitter and it hasn't bolted. Because we've had some pretty good warm days around here. But I put a little bit of Swiss chard and some kale down in the bottom. Looks like some of the Swiss chard is sprouting. And then the rest of this I replanted with more lettuce seeds. And we've got quite a bit of lettuce coming up. Now that thing there, I have no idea what it is, but it looked kind of interesting, so I left it there. But we do have a lot of lettuce popping up. Looks like we'll be eating lettuce into the fall. And to be honest, as far as growing things, that's about all I've got growing. But at least it's something. And as you heard my mom say, we've been eating a little bit of that lettuce from time to time. Other than that, I'm just growing grass. Today's another of our irrigation days, so I've got the water running out here on the lawn. And from the looks of things, I'll be mowing again near the end of the week, which means I'll be raking up another batch of hay for mulch. So hopefully I'll be leaving Mom with plenty of mulch. And in case any of it blows away. And I got plenty to do for next year too. So anyway, things are winding down here for me. Another week I'll be heading out of here, I think. And I've got plenty of videos already uploaded and scheduled, so y'all will have plenty to keep track of while I'm driving. And I'll see you next time.